umlotha weinkuni lo or we-charcoal plus inkuni. I-charcoal le is good for your garden. I-charcoal yenzani? I-charcoal i-acta as a sponge if uzoyifaka engadini esibamba ama-nutrients la engadini yakho. So if you had a braai yesterday or any time of your day or any time of your life, don't throw away le charcoal if was kahle ukuthi unengadi la ungayifaka khona, including lo mlotha we-charcoal. Yabo, thatha lokhu ukufake la engadini. So i-charcoal acts as a sponge esibamba ama-nutrients. Instead of put ama-nutrients leach into the soil, azobanjwa ile charcoal le. If futhi ubukwazi ukuyenza i-charcoal, you can do i-charcoal and then uyi-crush kancane, uyi-broadcast in your garden so that ama-nutrients angaleachi into the soil, azo-trapwa yi-charcoal. Lapho-ke iy'tshalo zakho uma usuyikhulisa angeke zisa-digger down to look for nutrients, but azotholakala eduze ngoba azobe incorporate-ke nomhlabathi khona la kwi-garden yakho. So after you braai, don't throw away leyo ash leyo, especially if you used i-charcoal ney'nkuni ukwenza leyo nyama usukuyenza, not amalahle lawa agujwa phansi, not lawo-ke hayi, it is something else. But iy'nkuni ne-charcoal, yes, you can throw those things, including i-ash yey'nkuni, into your garden. So to increase the fertility yenhlabathi yakho kwi-garden, thatha i-charcoal yakho uyi-crush-e uyifake lapho, noma ungayifaki njalo kodwa I prefer ukuthi uyi-crush ngoba izosuke ibe incane kahle and evenly broadcast into your soil, or you can evenly broadcast it into your soil. So yeah bafowethu, yizinto ezingalahlwa zonke lezi, zifake engadini. Uyayicrusha nje uyifake engadini, kulungile-ke, bye.